Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to set dietary preferences on Kroger. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon and simply go ahead into preferences. And inside of preferences, there's going to be dietary preferences right inside there. All you need to do is simply go ahead and select the type of diet you want to go ahead and maintain. There's also a tool that analyzes your past purchases and provides an opt-up or score from 0 to 100. Higher scores in the green indicate healthier, nutrient dense products, while lower score closer to red suggest higher amounts of saturated fat, sodium, or sugar. Also, the app provides a better for you carousel on the product page to help you select similar items that align with your health goals. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.